Hello everyone. Today we will continue what we have started last week. We will continue with Unit 1, Living Things, Microscopic Observations. So in this lesson, you will be able to recognize the plant cell and its part, and then to recognize the animal cell with its parts. The different parts of plants and animals can be seen by the naked eyes as big chunks or pieces. The parts of plants, such as leaves, branches, or in animals, if we'll talk about tongue, ear, or etc., these parts can be seen by our naked eyes as big chunks or pieces. I can see them as organs. In reality, these organs or these chunks are collection or group of large number of tiny units packed together. Each tiny unit is a cell. So, if we'll take an example, leaves, okay, those leaves are made up of tiny units, of a group of tiny units. I mean by that, this leaf is made up of group of cells. Now we will see these cells under the microscope. We'll start by how to prepare, for example, an onion cell to see its structure under the microscope. So, I'll start with an onion. I'll get an onion. I'll take an onion piece. I'll put this onion piece on a slide. Then, I'll put it under the microscope to see what does this onion slice or this onion skin, the part of the onion slice, is made up of. Okay, so if we put the onion cell under the microscope, okay, as we all know that the plant cell, that the onion cell is a plant cell. If I put it under the microscope, I will observe this picture. This one, follow the cursor please, this one is the cell of the onion. This one is the nucleus. This one is the cell wall, and this one is the cell membrane, and this one is the vacuole. So, the plant cell is made up of nucleus, cell wall, cell membrane, and then a vacuole. The main parts of an onion cell and a green plant cell. We will look at an onion cell. As we talked in the previous slide, we said that the onion cell is made up of a cell wall, a nucleus, the cytoplasm, the cell membrane, and the vacuole. Whereas the green plant cell is made up also from this cell wall and a nucleus and a vacuole and a cell membrane, but it is also made up of a chloroplast. So, who can tell me what is the difference between the plant cell, the onion cell, and the green plant cell? Who knows? Yes, the only difference between this onion cell and the green plant cell is the chloroplast, which has a role that it gives the green color of the plant. So the chloroplast that gives the green color of the plant. Now we will talk about the different parts of an animal cell. Animals, like plants, are made up of repeating structures called cells. So, also, animals, organs, I mean by animals, the organs of animals, they are also made up of repeating structures which are called cells. Now, I'll take some of my cheek cells and I'll put them on a slide, and then I will put this slide under the microscope and I will observe the cells of my cheek cells. So here are the cheek cells under the microscope. So if we look at this cell, I can see it has the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cytoplasmic membrane. So this cell is the same as this one, and it also has this nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cytoplasmic membrane. So to make it more obvious, then I'll show a drawing of the observed cheek cells. This one is one of the cells. So this is the cytoplasm, and this is the cytoplasmic membrane, the outer one, and this is the nucleus. Okay? So we can conclude that the parts of an animal cell are the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cell membrane, the outer one. So, as I told you, that they are the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. Those are the parts of the animal cell. Paramecium. Paramecium, it is a unicellular organism covered by cilia. Cilia, they are the hair-like structures and they provide movement. So, let's see. If we have a microscopic observation of a paramecium, then I will see this one, it is a paramecium, and this one, so I have a group of paramecia. If I took one paramecium and I see its structures, I see the nucleus, the cell membrane, the vacuole, the cilia, and the mouth. So these cilia, if we look at these cilia, they are hair-like structures and they provide the movement. They help this paramecium to move. So those are the hair-like structures which are called the cilia, and this one is called the paramecium, which is a unicellular organism. By this, we reached our end of the lecture. Please memorize everything and write them on your science notebook. Stay safe and good luck.